Hey everyone, check out this stunning white gold ceiling fan from Sevenine. It features 3 ultra-quiet blades and a powerful energy-efficient DC motor. Enjoy 6 adjustable speeds and a bright dimmable LED light with customizable color temperatures. The convenient remote control includes a memory function and 3 handy timers. It is designed for easy installation on standard, low-profile, or sloped ceilings. Operating at just 33 decibels, it runs smoothly while keeping your space perfectly comfortable. Upgrade your living room, bedroom, or patio with this stylish and modern cooling solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.